Welcome back, friends. In this video we are going to see how you can create a Flask app that will provide you the daily motivation and advices. Without wasting further time, let's get started. So here I am on my main screen. What I am going to do is I am going to create a new folder with the advisor so that it is easy in the desktop. And now I am going to create some files and open this in the IDE, in my IDE that I'm going to use. I am using Golang that is developed by the JetBrains. Also, you must have used the PyCharm. They are also the creators of the PyCharm. So it's not new. And I am going to set up my environment. I am going to create a new folder named as templates where I am going to save my HTML files. After that, I am going to create a static directory where I am going to add images and CSS files. In this tutorial, I am just going to create a simple HTML, and at the end I am going to show you the stylish one. So hang tight. Let's start typing and I will get you in the next one. I am going to add the API URL. I am going to use the API as the URL will be provided in the description section. And you can see that there is the URL named this, and it provides us in JSON format. And I'll show you at once it is done. And now it is our Flask app is ready, and what we need to do is to create a run method where I'm going to add the host and port, and I'm going to use port 80 so that any other user in my network will be able to access it. And once it is done, we are going to create the HTML page which is going to show us advices. And now our Flask app is ready. It is just a simple Flask app. And this is where we are going to now create HTML page. It's just a simple app that generates the advice with the request module that comes in Python. Now it's time to go to our HTML page, and I'll see. And now there is our simple advice giving app, and you can see it just generates request and prints it on the screen, and this looks really cool. Now I am going to show you the stylish version of this app that I have created. Let me open my VS Code. Here I am. I have started my app, and 3, 2, 1. There we go. I have created this app by adding some padding and margins and changing the font. And if you are interested in the source code of the new app, I will just drop it in my GitHub. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Take care, stay blessed.